welcome to the practice problems video for linear approximation and applications. Alright, for this question we're asked to estimate the change in f, or delta f, is equal to f of 3.02 minus f of 3 for the function f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 6. So in order to estimate this, we have to know that this is about equal to f prime evaluated at a, and then delta x. And this thing is equal to f of a plus delta x minus f of a, right? That's the change in our function value, okay? So change in function value, all right? And it's about equal to this approximation. So what we have to do is identify what we're given. So first of all, our a plus delta x is our 3.02. Okay, so a plus delta x is equal to 3.02, and our a is given as a 3. So a is 3. So that means that our delta x is 3.02 minus 3, which is equal to 0.02. Okay, so we have that. We have that. This is equal to our delta x, and a is equal to 3. So that's important, and we'll come back to that later. And now what we need to know, what is f prime of x? Okay, so what's our first derivative? So first of all, our original function, I'm going to rewrite it as x plus 6 to the 1/2 power, so we can just use the power rule, right? So now our f prime of x is going to be, if we bring down that 1/2, then we have x plus 6 to the negative 1/2, and from the chain rule we just bring out the coefficient of x, which is a 1. Okay, so this is our f prime of x, which is also can also be written 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus 6. Okay, so now from here, what we're going to do is take that f prime of x, and we're going to plug in our a value, which a is now 3, right? So I'll do that on the next slide. So we have that a equals 3, our delta x is equal to 0.02, and our f prime of x is equal to 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus 6, right? So now we have f prime of 3. When we plug that in, our a value, we get 1 over 2 times the square root of 3 plus 6. So that'd be 1 over 2 times the square root of 9, which is 2 times 3. So 1 over 2 times 3 is a 6. Alright, so now we found, for our approximation, our delta f, which is about equal to f prime of a, so that's a 3, and then times delta x. So we found this part, and we know that delta x is 0.02, so let's just plug that in, and we'll get our answer. So delta f, which is equal to, by the way, which is equal to f of 3.02 minus f of 3, that is about equal to f prime of 3, so that'd be our 1 over 6, and then times the delta x, which is a 0.02, so 0.02, so this is going to be about equal to 0.00, and then we have 3's going on. Okay, so that's basically it. Our delta f is about, our change in f in the function value is about 0.00333.